Okay, so today we have a little vlog for you guys. We have a couple of things. I hope the air conditioner is not too loud. I can't turn it down. I won't turn down. A couple of errands to run. Arlen has a birthday party to go to, so we're gonna go to Five Below and pick up some presents from there. And then since we're there, we're gonna check out all the fall decor from Michael's and Home Goods and just do a little window shopping with my little girl, right? You excited? Yeah. All right, so we're gonna take you along with us.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. And I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you.
So we're back and we got some stuff for the birthday girl, and I let Arlen pick out her little present, but it's unicorn sundae slime. It's like a sand slime, and then a journal, a sequence diary with a pen and everything, and you can change that. So I mean, what better way to pick the right gift for a child by letting your child pick the gift for the child? They had so many pretty things, so much fall decor. We were smelling all the candles.
There was this witch that kept scaring me.
They have Halloween decorations up, and it was just really nice to see all the fall stuff, and just got me excited to decorate for fall. I can't wait to decorate for the fall. And even though it's so hot here in Florida, it still makes me feel like it's fallish in my house when I have the decorations and all the fall scents and all those good things. So we just have to pull out all the stuff that we already have from the garage, and then I'm going to be making a real trip out here God willing, next week to do some shopping. Today was just scoping out the scenes and seeing the deals and the sales and which stores we should go to. So I also want to check out Hobby Lobby, but we don't live anywhere near one. There's two in this county. Not even in the county. There's one in this county, but it's far, and the other one is a county over, so they're both equally far. So, but it'll be worth the trip if they have a lot of good things there. So that's what we did. We're gonna come back. I have birthday bags in the house. My husband is here with my son, but I believe he's working, so I'm gonna come home and make him a lunch. He's not gonna come with us to the party. And then get this one some nice cold water and get ourselves ready. The party may be moved to the house because it's supposed to rain. I'll try to get some footage if it's at the park like it's supposed to be. And then when I come home today, I just have a little bit of work to do. So that's the plan for today. Home now and making some grilled cheeses.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song.
Doesn't look so good for an outdoor party. We'll see. So Kaylee, my 15-year-old, is at a volleyball camp at the University of Tampa right now. So she will be there all day until tonight. So this weekend for her is a volleyball weekend. Oh, you made your card. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. Julia's gonna love it with the balloons. It's so pretty. Go ahead and write your name from Arlen.
Baby, how I need the loving of
you. So now I'm relaxing on the couch. My kids are playing in their room. And I just have my laptop here. I'm gonna have my blankie, my puppies are here. And I'm just gonna edit a video while I stare out at the rain until it's time for me to cook dinner. It's actually time for me to cook dinner now, but I've been running around all morning, so I'm a little tired. So we're gonna cook later.
It's true.
All right, well, I needed to get up from that couch because I was getting drowsy and ready for a nap, and I need to cook dinner. So we're gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna show you guys something that I've done really quickly to make meal planning easier for myself. So on Canva, I created this little Gonzalez family meals, and I put in one of these plastic folders, and I put dividers in there for dinner, lunch, and breakfast. And then I put out some of the meals that we like in here, and I'm gonna keep filling it. And that way what I do is then I will normally put it in my phone, but I also printed this out, which I haven't done it yet. But I'm gonna write down all the meals here for the week, and when I do my groceries, I already have chosen from the list. I can just flip it out when it's time to cook and do it that way. And so yeah, we're gonna put some music on the Alexa, which I'm gonna put a link below. If you guys don't have Amazon Music, you should definitely get it if you like to listen to music. We always have different things going on, music themes going on. So like when I'm cooking, sometimes I listen to salsa or oldies. Like I listen to anything. It depends what I'm in the mood for. Christian music, like it just depends. When I'm working, I listen to a different type of music. When I'm homeschooling, it's something else. If I'm by the pool, I have a pool playlist. My daughter has her own playlist. When we get in the car, it's just her and I. She plays her playlist, or when she's in the room, she'll play like her Disney songs and her soundtrack from Annie and our VBS songs. It's all on there mixed together. So it's pretty cool because you can make all these different playlists and make your own little soundtrack, and you have your own little vibe going on for whatever it is that you're doing at the time. So I'm gonna stick that link in the description below. So right now we're gonna make some, I was gonna make beef and noodles, but I think I'm gonna make some beef and mashed potatoes because it feels like a mashed potato day. So that's what we're gonna do. I couldn't help myself. It's 6 p.m. and I'm so tired. So I have a hot cup of cappuccino. It's not that much caffeine in here, so I'm hoping it doesn't keep me up at night, but it's so warm and the AC is pretty low, so it's kind of cold. It looks cold. It's hot outside, but with the rain, it looks cold. Alexa, pause. Have my 80s music going on in the background. I don't want to get a monetization strike for putting music in the background, but anyway, yeah, I have my hot cocoa. I was gonna say my hot cup of cappuccino, and I'm just gonna finish dinner. I did the kind of my own little recipe there with the beef, so I put it in the slow cooker, actually in the pressure cooker, the Instapot, hoping that it cooks it and softens that meat, tenderizes it a little bit. And then I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes, and I'm probably gonna make a separate side of macaroni and cheese from the box because my Arlen seems to be picky when it comes to dinner. She's willing to try everything else, but dinner, she's like, doesn't like dinner food. So today we're just gonna make it easy and just make a separate side of macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher and then do the mashed potatoes, and then hopefully not fall asleep early today.